It's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, special welcome. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make soya spice. Now, soya spice is a spice commonly used in Nigeria, West Africa, to spice up chicken, beef, and many more. So guys, let's go! A cup of roasted peanuts, 3 tablespoons of ginger powder, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of chili pepper, 2 tablespoons of pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of Cameroon pepper, 2 bouillon cubes, and a teaspoon of salt. Pour your peanuts into the blender. You pour in the spices. Ensure you stir properly so that all spices can combine and give a uniform taste. For storage, you store in an airtight container. It's either you freeze it or keep in a dry environment. Suya spice is ready. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.